The Health Check homepage is the first window that appears after logging in. It shows all the health checks that have been started or completed. Each line shows the general information per health check, with the segmented bar graph providing an indication of how compliance has been rated against the obligations in the assessment, with reference to the color key above. The icons to the right each provide a shortcut to different features. You can navigate to the audit checklist, the business objectives, the item's status dashboard, resume the health check report, or download the health check report as a PDF or a Word document. On the far right side of the page, you can see a snapshot of any open actions that are assigned to you and can view the details by clicking on the action. The top of the page hosts the navigation bar, from where you can access the full range of features available throughout the platform. Our video series covers each of these in more detail. The Settings icon in the right-hand side of the bar allows the company administrator to customize the platform and make changes to the configuration of the health check. If you are not the company administrator, you will not see this icon. The Help icon provides menu options for the Help Center and the community, and a Contact Us option to raise a ticket to our help desk for any technical issues you experience. You can also report technical issues by clicking on the blue Support widget in the bottom left-hand corner of the platform. The User icon in the top right corner of the page instead allows you to change your password or log out. And finally, the Provide Feedback button in the bottom right-hand side of the screen allows you to raise future enhancement requests, general improvements, and feedback about the platform.